that with roasted grape tomatoes, sauteed zucchini and onions, and we'll be making that recipe. Risotto in Italy is very popular, obviously, as probably some of you know. It involves the rice, the kernel actually is very starchy, and as you cook it and stir it, it releases more of its starch and it becomes a creamy dish. A lot of people think that risotto actually has cream in it, but it's just from the starch inside, the natural starches of the rice. No, this is great. It's still a little loose. If by the time we go to eat it, it may be a little tight. What you can do if it gets a little too tight is you can add a little more chicken stock to it, and then I'll thin it up some.
I was going to ask if you feel like, because I've cooked it a couple of times, if it's starting to feel overcooked, can I add cold water at all to make it stop cooking?
I would never add cold water to it. Now, you may be able to.
No.
I wouldn't, because I think it would seize it, and I don't think you want that. I think I would just add a little more liquid at a time, turn it off the heat, and do that. And that way you still get it so it moves and absorbs. If you shut it down, then the liquid will just hang out in the pan. And it won't get absorbed. And I think you kind of want it to hang out. This is perfect. Next, we're going to be doing a pasta with duck sauce. And the pasta we'll be making is a pappardelle, which is a wide noodle pasta. I think they bought the duck. I think they bought the duck locally here for like right up over there. Yeah, they got it.
Just putting the duck right on top of the memoir.
Pass it through once. Put it on 8. Pass it through once. Keep going down. No, you don't. You just only pass it through once, and I would rather keep it wide. Okay, good. There you go. Once it comes through,
You know, if you were to go to the box or the Baltimore Bowl, right?
okay, put it through wide again. That's right. Food is more than what's on your plate. Food isn't necessarily about the dish you're eating. Food is about the experience, this experience together. That's what food is about. So, you should. There you go. Well, I hope everybody had fun. Everybody have a good time.